In the restoration project of Saints Peter and Paul Church, a neo-Gothic architectural work in Singapore, Viet Tiles provided handmade cement tiles with a strong aesthetic and historical character. On the floor of the main corridor, nave, French tiles were imported from Vietnam, produced by Viet Tiles using traditional manual methods. This not only recreates the ancient beauty but also preserves the long-standing cultural value of a work over 140 years old. Viet tiles are meticulously crafted by skilled artisans, molded step by step, hand-mixed in color and finished with a stain-resistant glaze, ensuring a lifespan of up to a century. With the origin of Made in Vietnam, handmade by Viet Tiles, the product not only meets ISO standards but also contributes to bringing the charm of sustainable cement tile art to a national monument in Singapore. The application of Viet Tiles 3D tiles in this project helps to balance the factors of preserving ancient architecture and modern quality requirements. The combination of delicate colors, traditional patterns, and durable surfaces creates a worship space that is both ancient and sophisticated, bringing a sense of closeness and warmth to visitors and worshippers.